Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 9 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add the curtain wall. Now we're gonna continue working on this. And what we're gonna do is we could go to our 3D, and then for the front or south elevation, we're going to pull it up actually for this one. It's because I was planning to add a balcony here, but because of the design that I was thinking, it couldn't be done. So instead, I'm just gonna pull this up as we're going to add in some changes. So let's add this. So I'm just type in AL and then click on first the desired height that you want to copy, and then click on the one that you want next to go up. Here we could add a balcony for the master's bedroom. So that will be fine. Okay. So that will be fine. Now we're gonna add in. So I'm gonna go to the south. For me, it's gonna be important because we're going to add in the mullion, the curtain grids first, and then the mullion. I want it to be every 500. So let's see if this will work. We could click here, create copy, multiple is already checked, and 500 and then 500. Now we're gonna click on all of them and then just move it so that it's equaled out from the look. And then here, click on curtain grid again, and here we just add the lines first and then align it with this. So it's easier to just align now. We don't need to think of so this one we just need to delete. So we're gonna add it here as well. Curtain grid. We could add lines first and then align it. And then delete it. Let's do it on the other side as well. So it's a fast way of doing this without checking anymore. So just keep on adding the lines first and then using a line to have the same one. So it's very fast, as you can see. We've done it in a couple of seconds. So this is the design that I'm planning to add here. If we click on mullion, all grid, I want it to be the 30 by the 30 millimeter square. Let's see how it looks. So if we click here, I don't want anything in the middle here. So we're probably gonna delete it. So we're gonna delete those ones. So let's delete those. And let's go to here, and then we could flip it. I'm just flipping this because I believe it was showing from the outside. I want to double check. Because I want the mullions to be on the outside. So we're probably gonna flip this one as well, and that will be fine. We just need to fix the corners now. So you need to unjoin them first. Let's look at it. It's over. So we just need to keep on fixing it so that it looks better. I want to see it on a shaded color. I want to see if it's showing. So we need to pull this back, or we need to extend this so they're touching. Okay, I'm happy with that. It's not something that is visible because it's going to be all glass, but it's kind of overlapping. But it's all going to be black anyway, or silver, or gray. So that's fine. So we just need to fix this first before we add in mullion. Okay, so I'm happy with this. Now we need to just go to 3D again, and then click on mullion, and then all grid. And then delete the mullions right here. And then of course we need to fix all the corners. Click on your tab if it's not showing. I want it to be connected on this. And let's see. Yeah, that's good enough for the corner. As you can see, it's quite fine. Almost the same thing here with the corner. So let's continue on the others. Here we could just add a curtain grid in the middle. We don't add those there. We add 500 at the top and then divide them. I'm gonna change this so that everybody can see and then make it fine. So I'm just dividing it here as well. We need to add 500 at the top. And then just divide them. So in the program, you'll be able to divide them properly. So Revit assumes that you want to divide them. So as you can see, if you assume where the middle is, it will give you the equal parts of those. And even the 1/3. As you can see here, everything is 733. Here, everything is gonna be 560, 566. And then let's add in 500 at the top. Or here, we could just delete the one at the top there. I'm fine with that. And then now, it's a matter of time, we just add all mullion on all of them. And the only thing that we need to fix is the orientation of those. So that's something that I messed up. So we just need to flip it like that. Flip it here from the inside. And then just go to level 2. And just flip it. And once you go to 3D, you'll be able to see the mullion outside. So which is correct. And we're going to add a door there. So you will need to go to Insert, Load Family, and then go back to Doors. So go to your main Doors, and then here we have Single Glass Curtain Wall. And then after that, you need to click on one of the panels for this. So what you do is just hover on your mouse arrow, click on tab multiple times until you have only the panel. So you sometimes just move it around, and then now you just click on tab and then click on the panel. So it will say system panel glazed. So the glass here, we're gonna change, go to drop down and then click on door curtain wall single glass. So now here, and then you'll be able to change the orientation. If you go to level 2, we could flip this and go outside. So outside from there. Now we could add in something here. We can even put it as double door, but that's fine for now. So just double check everything that we added all the curtain walls on all of them, and I'm satisfied with that. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.